Let us go ahead and get more details about the cloud developer certification before we dive into the actual syllabus. Exam blueprint, it is 2 hours of length. There are 50 questions. Target 70% at least, and not all questions are rated. That is what our understanding is. It's the same as the cloud associate engineer. There is a registration fee of $200 plus tax if it is applicable. There are multiple choice and multiple select questions. Multiple select questions means there are multiple right answers and you need to select all the right answers to get the credit for that particular. And Google recommends 3 years of experience, hands-on experience with GCP, but it is not required. Even if you are a developer and non-Google Cloud Platform, and if you have a detailed understanding about the Google Cloud Platform, like this particular course is providing it to you, you can become a cloud developer as well. Let us go ahead and get into details of the syllabus. In a high level, they expect you to understand highly scalable, available and reliable cloud native application design. Build and test those applications inside cloud environment. Deploy application in cloud. Integrate cloud platform services. Manage application performance monitoring. The first section where they say design highly scalable, available, reliable cloud native application, they expect you to understand or have a good understanding around performant applications and APIs, how to design security applications, manage application data, re-architecting application from local services to Google Cloud Platform or any cloud platform. Building and testing applications, setting up your development environment, building continuous integration pipelines, testing, and writing the codes. Deploying your application means once you have written the code, then you want to deploy it somewhere, right? And that is your computing environment. So first is you need to find appropriate computing environment, like deploying your application into Compute Engine or Kubernetes or App Engine or Cloud Function and including Cloud Run, I would say. Creating data storage resources like Cloud SQL, Cloud Spanner, or any other storages like Firestore. Deploying and implementing network resources, automating resource provisioning and deployment manager, managing service account. So this is a kind of wherein once you develop your application, you want to deploy it somewhere, identifying right choice for your application deployment, whether it is computing platform or whether it is data storage platform. And then you integrate your application with the other cloud services like data and storage, integrating application with computing services, integrating cloud APIs in your applications, like utilizing other cloud resources on GCP. And managing application performance. Once you are successfully deployed your application, you need to make sure that the performance is up to the mark, and that's where you will utilize the logging and monitoring agent or the suite, which is Stackdriver, which we saw in Foundation, in your application. Managing VM, and that is additional details going inside the VM, and we are going to see that. Viewing application performance matrices using Stackdriver, diagnosing, resolving application performance issues. All of these, if you look at, starting to planning to write an application and deploying that application and ultimately maintaining or managing that application performance inside the production servers, that is what it covers under cloud developer. This is not a programming purely a programming skills for one particular language, but you need to have an understanding. If you know any programming language, if you need to have an understanding about all the the steps or the cycle when you deploy or take your application into Google Cloud Platform. In nutshell, what we are, what it is expected is you need to have understanding about the core services. You need to know how to develop and deploy your application in computing platforms. You need to know how to access an API, how you can test your application inside cloud environment. You need to know how to integrate your application with other, cloud platform, and then maintain the performance like monitoring and performance and tracing. So all of that together becomes the syllabus for your cloud developer certifications. There is exam also which is there, which you can go ahead and use that or try that exam. Once you are confident enough to the theory, you can just launch an exam and see how confident you are carrying out to actual examination. But at the same time, you have our own exam as well, that is exactly equivalent to the practice exam, which is there for your certification. You can go through that as well. That's it as a certification details. Let's go ahead and look at certification strategy in the next lecture.